Greetings to parents of BVIS. I'm Zitling. Today, for UNICEF World Children's Day, we are doing Takeover Day at school, where some of our students take over the teacher's role. I will be taking over Mrs. Espy's position as the head of secondary, and welcome to our weekly activity update. In geography, across Key Stage 3, the students are enjoying the global campus resources. They've learned about climate action and what we should do to try and prevent climate change. Their ideas have been superb and hopefully will be implemented worldwide. The school are now in the top 20 North Anglia schools for their use of Global Campus. In Year 10, geography students are learning about settlements and are learning about the reasons for the growth of settlements, including the great example of Hanoi. The use of the Red River has been discussed and why it has been so important to the growth of Hanoi. In maths, this week Year 8 successfully started their first ever data project, where they were challenged to design an experiment based on the hypothesis fast hands means fast feet. The students worked creatively to decide what the term fast hands and fast feet before deciding on how they were going to test this hypothesis. This project will not only help the students to understand the use of data in a wider context, but it helps develop their critical thinking skills, their ability to work as a team, and their mathematical communication. Students all had the opportunity to conduct their experiments in the sports hall and had a great fun while learning. I look forward to seeing the finished projects from Year 8, where they have to analyze their data and come to a conclusion. In English, recently, Key Stage 3 students have been completing a creative writing competition run by North Anglia Global Campus in their English lessons. They were required to write and illustrate biographies of female environmental activists. A huge number of students have engaged really well with the task, and there has been some incredible submissions from the biographies. Students competed at a house level, with the Lat House winning 200 house points for the most submissions. For ECA clubs, on Tuesday, the 24th of November, students from the Smile Club went on a trip to Vietnam Cuba Hospital to meet with over 60 cleft lip and cleft palate patients. The smiles that greeted us left our students with a long-lasting impression. We had delivered over 80 smile bags that were kindly donated from our students all over the school, and it was magical seeing the patients' eyes light up. This gave them a real sense of what it is like to have a disability and as a result to develop their empathy. Throughout the term, the ESA was mainly student-led, and it was wonderful to see Tân Thai's leadership skills strengthen as time went on. For the Susical performance, performances are on Thursday 3rd and Friday 4th of December at 6 p.m. in the secondary school hall. Tickets are 50,000 Vietnam dong and can be purchased from secondary reception. As for upcoming events, on the 30th of November, 1st and 3rd of December, there are Susical show rehearsal. Have a lovely weekend.